Hello and welcome to my channel. So a little while ago I put on my Instagram stories that I wanted you lot to let me know what you wanted to see me create, and a lot of people said Disney ideas. What I was over the moon about, because you probably already know that I am a huge Disney fan, but I didn't want to do loads of Disney looks and you not want to see them. So now I know that you want to see my Disney looks. They're going to be coming heavy on this channel. So when I was thinking of different characters that I love in Disney films, I really love Mushu. Of course, it's Eddie Murphy. How could you not love him? And also, I just think that he doesn't get the recognition he deserves.
Who am I? Who am I? I am the guardian of lost souls. I am the powerful, the pleasurable, the indestructible Mushu. Oh, pretty high, huh?
So I knew that I wanted to do a Mulan / Mushu inspired makeup look. And of course, what day to do it better than on Chinese New Year itself. So to the makeup look, I've put on my foundation and then I sketched out Mushu on my cheek, going down my neck onto my chest using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I then primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in a Painterly, and then went into the purple tones in the LaRoc Summer Tones palette and started to blend a pinky purpley warm eyeshadow into my crease. I then went in with a much darker purple to put it into the more direct crease. Then I created a cut crease using my concealer and a angled eyeshadow brush. While that concealer was still wet, I then put on some neon purple eyeshadow over the top of it, and then near the actual line of the cut crease, I used a more bluey purple. I then get my Marianne glitter fixer gel and a brush and cover the whole cut crease in that, and then go over it with a chunky purple glitter. I didn't put the glitter too close to my lash line. As you can see here, I am going to be doing a big chunky wing. I use my Inglot gel liner for this, and I make it really big and bold, kind of like a drag wing. I then go back to use the first ever purple eyeshadow that I used in this tutorial and put it on my bottom lash line. I do not put this directly on my lash line. I do try to leave just a tiny bit of a gap so my eyes look really big and round. I then go in with a darker purple eyeshadow and just line it a little bit. Now it is time to colour in Mushu. So using my Snazaroo face paint, I fill all the red in first. I filled this in using some nail art brushes. I'll link them in the description below because I got them from Amazon, and I'll also link everything else that I've used in the description as well. I filled in the kind of spikes on its back and the nose dark red, and then I went in and did the yellow stripe down his stomach. He had this kind of blue feather, it looked like, on his head, so I did that, and then I did the mouth and just the details around the face. I then go in using an eyeshadow and do the shading. This really makes the face come to life and also the rest of the body. I use the eyeshadow Punk, and it is in the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. I don't think it's on sale anymore because it was limited edition, but it was just a really dark red eyeshadow. Then I put on some lashes before going on to my lips. I use the Huda Beauty lip liner in Heartbreaker first, and then I use the Urban Decay lipstick in 714. And of course I put on a wig, and then we are done. I really hope you like this makeup look. I really enjoyed doing it. If you would like to see more Disney makeup looks, let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any ideas, anything in particular you really like me to do, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below, and if you like Disney tutorials or just some crazy makeup looks, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Dragon, not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.